How to enable or disable camera Auto HDR on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button, then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on camera assistant. Next, tap on Auto HDR. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto HDR. Here you can blend the best parts of multiple exposures into a single picture with improved color and detail. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.